A big storm pushed many starfish onto the hot sand. 一场大风暴把许多海星冲到炙热的沙滩上。The sun rose and the starfish began to dry in the heat. 阳光升起，海星在热浪中开始干枯。An old man walked along the shore and saw a boy picking up the starfish. 一位老人沿着海岸走，看到一个小男孩在捡起海星。
The boy gently tossed each starfish back into the rolling waves.
男孩轻轻把每只海星抛回翻滚的浪里。The old man stopped, shook his head, and said, "You cannot save them all." 老人停下来摇头说："你不可能救下所有的海星。" He pointed to the endless stretch of beach filled with stranded stars. 他指向那片延绵的海滩，满是搁浅的星星。The boy listened, then lifted another starfish from the sand. 男孩听了，又从沙子里捡起另一只海星。He threw it far into the deep blue sea. 他把它抛得很远，落入深蓝的海里。It saved that one. The boy smiled. 男孩笑着说："他救了那只。" The old man learned that even a small act can mean everything for one life. 老人明白了，即使是小小的举动，也能拯救一条生命。